So today I want to take a quick look around BJ's to see what they had in new for outdoor furniture and outdoor items. So they have a couple of sets set up. They have this one and this really nice gazebo right here, which was $100 off. So that came to $1,300. You can see it has kind of like the curved top. It has a little table like bar on the side there, and it has two levels on that, so you'll be able to store things on the other side. And then they have the patio set here, so it'll come with these chairs, the table, which is a fire pit table, and then you can see the swivel chairs right there. I'm not sure if all the chairs were swivel chairs. I think just those two were swivel chairs, and then the others were regular chairs. But don't quote me on that. But it was $300 off, so $1,500 for that, and that was real nice. This set right here, I think it might be the same set as that set, but that's just, the boxes for it. So you know what? They all are swivel chairs, because I'm looking at them now. They all are swivel chairs. So you get all swivel chairs for that, and the fire pit table. This umbrella, loved it. So it's a double umbrella. So instead of just the big coverage for the one umbrella, you get double the umbrella. It's called a twin. But it is $250 for that. Not bad at all. This set right here, so you can see the ottomans kind of tucked under the table there. So if you're not using them for the two chairs that are there, you can tuck it under. $2,400, and you get the table, the two ottomans, the two chairs, and the sofa. So you're going to get all of that. And again, you can store the ottomans under there for when you're not using them. So that's awesome. Then they had this set right here inside of this gazebo right here. So this gazebo kind of has like a cute little opening up top right there. And $1,600, that one was on sale too. So you can get that and save $200 on that one right there. And then again, I said it has a cute little top. I thought it was just a nice little look. And then this set, kind of like the high top table, and again the fire pit table, and these chairs swivel too. Something about it, I just love a swivel chair. It just gives you that extra movement. $2,000 for that set right there. And then they're promoting their financing, which I never really paid attention to. I never noticed. I don't know. But yeah, they have finance options for these pieces right here. So if you don't want to pay for it all at one time, this set right here, so it comes with all of these chairs, and then this table right here, $1,000. And then this swivels, so you can put like your serving trays and different things on there and be able to swivel that around. Thought that was nice. And then you can see in the picture the 6 chairs fit around there comfortably. So, you can fit 6 people there and have that little set up there. They have this and around up, I'm not saying it right, chair right here for $200. And they showing you that, it's like you can wipe off the dirt and the stains and different things on that one. Another, because we saw in Costco, they had one too, the little picnic table, so that with the umbrella holder. And then they have these chairs right here that are in just a simple brown, so they'll go with a lot of different places. These are on sale too, so they are $40 for those, and you buy them individually. And then the picnic table was on sale, $20 off, so that was $170 for that. And again, it has a little umbrella hole, so you can put the umbrella in there. And then of course you can get umbrellas from here too. So they have solar umbrellas, which I'm not sure if we saw last time, but they have the solar umbrellas. They had one of these little egg chairs left right here, so you can pick either one. You can pick the egg chair for $300, or you can pick, the umbrella for $400. And then they have this little kid little chair right here, so you can get that for $130. So just a lot of cool little things at BJ's right now. For $160, you can get this little fountain right here. So I'm assuming it's a good size because the box is big. Fishing. I was with my daughter and she was asking me, have I ever gone fishing? And I was like, yeah, when I was little. So I have really not the fishing expert, but those might be a good price on poles, $25, $30. Then they have this chair right here on sale for $18. So you can grab this right here. This is another sale, and then they have these for $15. So you might want to grab one of those. The lantern things were cute, and then the other one for $15 were the tiki torches right there. So you can grab those for the $15. These chairs right here, at first they had me thinking that they were on sale, for super duper cheap, but they are padded. So they have a little bit of padding to them, but this sign was above it, but it's for the other chair that we saw. So it's not $17, but this tall basketball hoop for $250, and then the padded chairs are going to be $70. So they weren't on sale, but the basketball hoop was on sale. So you can grab those. You can grab a basketball for $25 to go with your basketball hoop, and then they have the storage, sheds for outside. So that one right there was on sale for $140. So if you're looking for some storage outside, these kind of went with the other chair. So $200, and you can get like the padded chaise to go with the other padded chairs, and make yourself a little set for outside. And it's just simple, and then the color can go with a lot of different things. They had this right here. Thought this was so cool looking because you can put your trash cans in it, especially if you have issues with critters or things like that, or you just don't want to see them. $350, but it was on sale too. You'll see in a minute. A lot of these were just, I don't know today. So you just buy it at your own. So they had this one right here. This one was on sale too. So that's another deck box. This I thought was cute looking. This one was fine, and it has like the little roof detail. It has the two-tone look to it. So I love how the doors, kind of contrast there. And it had a good amount of storage in there. So if you're looking for a shed, I would say that this one was nice because I didn't see any issues or anything with this one, at least the one that was on display. But the other ones, okay, so that one was $800 for that. Um, so $200 on sale. But you can see, look, it's a falling apart and stuff. So I don't know, at your own risk. And then another one, the door off. So that was the one for the garbage cans, and the door was like, so I don't know today. I've never seen it displayed like that. But they have this bench right here, and then they have these chairs. So these chairs are going to be on sale, and they were $60 for those chairs. They came in two colors. So they had the gray, and then they had like a brown like color in those, and then they only had one box for the bench left, but that was on sale too, and that was at $130. So if you're looking for a cute little bench for outside, you might want to grab that. They had this whole setup with the gazebo and the two different grills there. So the gazebo was on sale. It was $50 off, so it was $300. It's a decent size, and it has a little peak at the top. It still has the little bar on the side there. Not bad. This grill right here for $800, that was on sale, or you can get the smaller grill there for $280. So all of that was on sale right now. Of course, they have everything else that goes with it, like the gas. They have charcoal. They have the grill tools. They have all of that stuff for preparing for outside. They have this chair right here. So these are cool because it has little storage and stuff on the side. And that one was on sale for $50. This little guy right here, so you can it's a folding cart, so you can pull it around and then store it. So that's $55. That one was on sale there. And then this $25. If you don't get the tent, you get the little mattress thing to put inside so you can sleep. That is a tent, so you can grab that there for $140. That was on sale, so it was $30 off. And then they have these little hammocks right here for $20, and they came in those two colors, so you might want to grab that. This is not a storage thing. Well, it has storage in it, but it's like a prep station, like a little cart, so you can grab that. That was on sale for $180, and you can do little things outside and stuff like that. And then of course it did have storage in the inside, so you can see it had a lot. So that's on both sides, so you can store a lot of stuff there. This little chandelier for outside, so you can put that in one of your gazebos or something. That was like $100. Not bad at all for that. And then this was a base for an umbrella, and then these little kitty chairs. So you can grab the little kitty chairs for $14. Not bad. And then they have these chairs here, which are on sale too. So those are $150. So you're getting $50 off on that. And it's like the wicker. So it goes with a lot of the other sets that they do have out right now at BJ's. And then, like I said, they have all the things for all the barbecue things, but they had this little grill right here. That one was on sale for $5.50. So you're saving $100 on that, and it's a gas grill. So if you want like a little Kenmore, you can get you one of those. They have grill covers. They had that one on sale for $20. Just a ton of things. This grill right here, so for $130, you get that one, and it came with the whole little kit, with it. This set right here on sale, $200 off, so $1,300 for that. And it's another little patio set. They have air conditioners. That one was on sale for $350. They have, this is like an in window one, so if you're looking for an in window one, that one is on sale for $330. They have tall fans. They have the circular fans, so $50 and $40 for those. But just a ton of stuff, getting ready for the spring and the summer. They have this little canopy right here. So that one is $180 because that was on sale too. So there's two rocking chairs and a little table there. That one was on sale for $700. These weren't out and displayed, so they're just, in the boxes there. They have more grills, the little griddles. I'm seeing a lot of these griddle sets because everybody's loving like the hibachi type style and stuff like that. So that griddle was $500 for that one. It wasn't on sale. And then for $280, they have, the other grill right there. Another look at that patio set. I think that's the same one that we saw when we came in. This right here, so a little greenhouse. So if you want to do a little greenhouse, it's like you put it together so you can make space where you make space. $80 for that one right there, and then $320, and you can get you this grill right here. So they had a lot of grill options. This one right here, so a garden grow bed. So if you're into garden, that is 110, some planters. So just a ton of different stuff right now at BJ's. So that one was a big size planter, $15. It was on sale. It was like $2 off. They have lunch boxes. They have just all kind of stuff. Coolers. This one is on sale for $45. This one $90 on sale. And this one has the little pull handle, so you can pull it, then put it down. And then these bags, kind of big, $12, but you can put like lunch for your family in those bags. So just a lot of different things right now to get you, like I said, prepared for this summer. These planters right here, you can grab. So these are two different type of planters. So they have this one, and then they had the one, kind of on the pedestal. I like these right here. The colors are just nice and pretty. They have the little texture detail, and they were on sale too for $40. You might want to grab something like that. These, so they look like little bricks, and you put them around your garden. So $16 for those. Those were on sale. These pavers right here, so they're in like little brown, and they were on sale for $25. A bunch of little outdoor activities. They weren't on sale, but they just have. So if you want pickleball, all kind of stuff you can get right now at BJ's. More looks at these chairs and stuff. So they have this chair right here on sale for $50, and it has the little canopy top on it, so you can keep covered and stuff in the hot days. They have little golf sets. They call it chipping, $25. Lawn dice, water gun, like just all kind of different stuff. Jenga blocks, like the big one, that one was on sale for $40. Just a ton of things. If you're looking for a trampoline, that one right there was on sale for $260. The lawn sports, so you can play those. That one is on sale for $80. Just BJ's was packed. When I first went in, I didn't think it was that much stuff, but yeah, it was a lot of good stuff. Lanterns, and most of it on sale. So you can grab this little canopy right here. That's good for when you're going out. They have this little scooter for $300. This little exercise bike so you can get ready for the summer, $600. Or it's like an electrical bike. This one right here was a treadmill. So that one was on sale too. These didn't have a price, but I just thought they were cute. So they supposedly light up, and the kids, like it hold two kids. So that was good. Another one falling apart, $300. It was on sale though. So like I said, look into it, look at the reviews and stuff. These were interesting because they were floaties. So $40 and $30. They look like they would take on water and get heavy. I don't know how that works, but you see a little kid floating on top of them. So that's just an interesting kind of floaty because it's not the blow up one that you would get the plastic one. It was like kind of like a cloth like material, and then like felt like it had like beanies in it. But yeah, they have the Tommy Bahama chairs, $60, and they had those in different prints. Cute little kid picnic tables, $70 for that. And then I'm assuming the table right there is adjustable because like the legs can go up some, and then the kids sit around that. So they had that right there, and that came in two different colors. So they had the blue, and then they had that. The little body boards, they had those in different colors, $35. Like I said, the water guns, these floaties. This right here, I always love these every time I see these. So you can sit like 4 people in there. You see $109, especially if you do like lakes and different things like that. That is good. This little outdoor set right here for the kids, $350. That wasn't on sale, but it looks like it is a decent size. It has the sliding in it, a little water gun, all kind of stuff like that. They have pools. So if you needed a pool, like an above the ground pool, you can grab that. So they had that one right there. That one is 12 feet. And the tag above it said $200. Not bad at all. Then they had that one, $400 right there. That one is 16 feet and it has like the little faux stone. This one had like a little faux looking wood, $700 for that one right there. And that was 20 by 12 feet. They have the floaties, like the little bed floaties. They have water balloons, just everything to have fun outside right now. They have bubbles. They have just a bunch of stuff at BJ's right now for you, your kids, your nieces, your nephews, everybody to have fun outside. They have the little goggles, the little snorkel sets, and those are all around 20 something dollars. They have the things to clean your pool. So you can get those for like $18. But like I said, just a ton of stuff. So you can get everything that you need. And I'm trying to think, I went to Costco and I don't remember seeing pools. So yeah, that was great. So little faux grass, they have that right there. $50 for the artificial grass, $300 fire pit, $150 for the heat lamp right there. And like I said, all of these weren't displayed, so I just was able to just to see the boxes. $400 for this fire pit right here, like a big size. The rug, so $40 for the 5x7. And then you can see all the prints there. And then for the larger size, it was $80. I like the peach looking one because it was just, real pretty and it gave that summer spring type of look. That one looks real plush for an outside rug, but it was in the outside section. So the gray one was pretty. It had that like traditional look. More umbrellas, $250. So just a ton of things right now. This set right here that they had hiding off in the little corner. So these are swivel chairs too. So you get two of these big chairs. It was kind of a snug fit underneath this gazebo, but it fit. So they have this gazebo that has the little mesh with it. So it comes with the screen, but you can, pull them open and leave it open. So that was $1,300 for that. This wasn't on sale, but you can pull it open and then have it looking like curtains. But like it kind of all fit the whole set in there, but it was a snug fit. It wasn't like super roomy. So I would probably get a different set, not this larger set with two sofas and all of that. So that one was 2,500. It was $500 off and it had the fire pit table. So you might want to head over to BJ's